Namaskar, hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing one item from my collection. So let's start. This is a 20th century copper nickel coin which was struck in the year 1920, the year in which non-cooperation movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi. This coin pertains to the British India era, also known as British Raj. The denomination of this coin is annas. It is a 4 annas coin. There are 5 languages embossed on it. As you can see in the middle it is English. Annas is written in English, and above it 4 is written in a numerical manner. And at the borders there are 4 languages. At the top it is Urdu. At the right it is Bengali. At the bottom it is Telugu. And at the left it is Devanagari, which is also known as Hindi. The unique thing about this coin is its shape. It is a scalloped one with 8 notches. It was the only denomination which was minted in this shape during the British India era. At the back there is a bust of King George V, the ruler under which this coin was minted. George V, King Emperor, is embossed, and at the bottom India 1920 is mentioned. One unique thing about King George V was he was the only monarch who visited India as King Emperor. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it.